Hello everyone, welcome to another video. For those who are new to this channel, my name's Fran and I make videos for the Sunnybank Trust every week. The Sunnybank Trust is a charity for people with learning disabilities and autism, and this week's theme is Pancake Day. We're going to be making these little pancakes in a frying pan. Let's get started. For this activity you will need some scissors and some liquid glue. You'll also need some orange card and some yellow card, 2 wiggly eyes and a normal pencil, a craft stick and some tape, and a brown pencil. You'll also need a cupcake liner and a circle-shaped object. Your circle-shaped object must be smaller than your cupcake liner when it's opened up. A small cup or a mug would be ideal. Once you've opened up your cupcake liner fully, you can place your craft stick on top at the bottom. This is to create our frying pan. Add some tape to join them together. Turn over your frying pan. Onto your orange card, draw around your circle-shaped object with your pencil. With your scissors, cut out your circle. Apply glue to your circle. Take out your yellow card and your pencil. We're going to draw a square. This is going to be for the butter on top of your pancake. With your scissors, cut it out. Apply glue to your square and place it in the middle of your pancake. Apply glue to each wiggly eye and stick them on just above your yellow square on each side. Last step. Using your brown pencil, draw on a smile underneath your yellow square. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a pancake today. Email us at info@sunnybanktrust.org to share your photos from today's craft.